guys, so just got off work, of course, and I just pulled up to the hair store because I'm going to be doing my hair this weekend. I'll probably be doing it start it tonight and finish it tomorrow. It's one of my go-to spots here in Columbus. So last night I was in the kitchen, I was on the phone, I had my boyfriend on speakerphone. I don't know if the baby can like really hear right now. I guess it can hear a little bit, but I don't know if it's because the baby heard his voice or whatever, but I felt some flutters like last night, and I was like, whoa. And I felt them like not too strong, but just enough to kind of make me stop like what I was doing, like, hey, like something's going on here. So I was like, oh, okay. So it was, I don't know, it's really cool. It's kind of like, oh, okay, little person. So yeah, so I wanted to share that with you guys. Oh, and also I wanted to share the other day when I went to go do laundry, I had to go to the laundromat because my apartment doesn't have a laundromat there, which sucks, but anyways. But I was editing a video, and this little girl was sitting beside me, and she asked me, she was like, hey, are you on YouTube? And I was like, yeah, I'm on YouTube. She was like, well, do you want me to subscribe to your channel? And I just thought that was like so sweet. The little girl, she had to be probably like 9 or 10 years old. So I gave her my card because I recently got some business cards, so I gave him my card. So if you're watching, I don't know your name, but thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Like, it really kind of made my night. I just thought that was so sweet that you wanted to do that and support me. So thank you so much. Yes, I wanted to give her a little shout out, just in case she's watching this video. But let me run in here because I still have some things to do to prepare for the weekend, because I need to clean and I just need to get my whole life together. So let me get in here really quick before it starts getting dark or before it starts raining hard. So see you guys later. Hey guys, so I just got home. I wanted to show you really quick the hair that I got. I'm just gonna do like a quick little style, something like this, but I'm not gonna do a middle part. It'll be a side part for me. But this is actually a new curl pattern by them from this line, from the Wand Curl Braid line, the Remedy Curl. The girl was telling me at the store that this one was new, like they just got it. And I noticed it because, you know, I be in there like quite often. So I figured it was new because I've never seen this. And I like the curl pattern here. It looks more of like a wave, a little bit more wavy than the other ones that I've gotten. But I'm excited to try this. I only got 3 packs because they're like $10 a piece. I didn't want to spend like a whole lot of money because I have other stuff I need to do. So I was like, we're going to make these 3 packs stretch somehow. I don't know how, but we're going to make it work. Hey guys, so taking him down to our market here in Columbus. He's never been, and I've been wanting to take him. So we're going, and hopefully it doesn't rain us out, because it definitely looks like it's going to rain today, but we shall see. Let me start twerking. I'm just kidding.
Thank you.
What if I started twerking right then on this song? What you would have did? So we're at the mall. What was it? I took you. The market was a bust. They didn't have nearly as many vendors as they did before. So we're walking through the mall. And after that, we're going to go back to the house and probably start getting ready for tonight. I mean, I know I am. Ooh, I wonder if they got the same ones they had at the college.
They were on sale. This one was like $900.
We gotta go back to that guy that was in, what was it?
Panama City.
Yeah.
I got the SKU numbers.
You know you getting on when you get excited about appliances. Seriously. Okay, let's go. I won't make you go to Sephora.
We can go in there, baby.
No, it's not. I don't want to be tempted. so we're headed out to dinner, and I am paying for dinner. I am treating him tonight.
All right.
Like, can you believe it?
Reservations and all.
Yes. So we're going out to a nice Italian restaurant here, and I've been there a couple times, and I wanted to take him because I know he likes Italian food and stuff. So I just knew it'd be really good. You can make a left at this light up here. So yeah, so I want to treat him because he always do a lot of stuff for me. So I want to do something nice for him. And it just happens to be Valentine's Day weekend. That's just a coincidence. Because somebody don't celebrate Valentine's Day. But it's okay. I'm not upset about it. You can stay in the right lane because it's going to be right on your right in like a few minutes. Yeah. So, yeah. And we'll see you guys later at the restaurant. And I'm glad it stopped raining, but I hope it doesn't rain again because we plan to go out dancing and all that stuff. And I just, I don't know. I don't want it to be raining. But, okay, you can.
That's one of those things you be like.
You put your head down. This bread is so good. Yeah, I'm like. Chicken Alfredo. We got. I have to remember to write that down in the little caption. Okay. Hey guys, so we just pulled up to one of the bars here downtown. And then after we leave here, we're gonna go to the original spot where they're having Latin night, so we can do some salsa dancing or whatever like that. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in there. Oh, you gonna say a little something?
Nah, we just gonna have a fun night tonight.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay. All right.